One of the easiest floors to install is vinyl. Today I'm going to show you how versatile vinyl is and how it works. Here at LEROY MERLIN we have 3 types of vinyl. We have the roll vinyl, the glue vinyl and the clicking system. As with any other floor installation, you need to make sure that the floor is level and dust free. The clicking system vinyl board needs approximately 24 to 48 hours to get used to the room temperature. After you've rolled out and cut the underlay to size, work up the floor patterns to make sure you don't cut a board less than 50 cm as a rule. Always make sure you connect the groove and the tongue on the joint. Use fitting wedges to make sure that there is a 5 mm spacer between the vinyl board and the wall. What's great about the click and glue down vinyl, if a board gets damaged, you can just cut it out, pull it up and replace it with a new one. Vinyl roll is as easy as cutting the floor to fit. Vinyl is so versatile, it's waterproof, slip resistant and easy to maintain. If you start with a great flooring, the rest will fall into place.